everyone, it's Ali here from alisblog.ca. So I have a new video for you. It's just a little bit of a haul. I picked up some nail polishes from Madame Glam. I did purchase these myself, so I just picked up 4 because there was a bit of a sale going on last week. So I thought, or the other week, I thought I would pick up some because I was really looking for a base coat and a good white polish for gel polish. So I thought I would check these ones out. So I'm going to show you what I got and kind of give you a little bit of a demo of some of the polishes. So first off, I picked up Madame Glam Soak Off Base Gel. So these are gel polishes. You use an LED light. So I picked up the base coat because I really enjoy the top coat. So I thought I would try the base coat and see if it works just as well. Next, I picked up the Madame Glam Soak Off Gel Polish, and this is a white polish. The actual name of it is called Perfect White, and I have a swatch of it right here. So this is one coat of it, and actually it's pretty opaque considering that's only one coat. I would definitely do 2 coats. I just wanted to show you what it looked like with one coat, but so far I'm pretty impressed because other ones that I've used are kind of on the thinner side, so that's a good one coat for Madame Glam's Perfect White. Next up, I picked up a Madame Glam color changing gel polish. This one is only 10 milliliters. It's a little bit smaller than the other ones. I'm not really sure why because it was the same price. But this is called Pop Goes the Heart. So it's kind of got some glitter in it. It's a little bit on the thicker side, so you do have to be more careful applying it, but it works. So this one is purple when it is cold. So I have a swatch stick of that. So that is what it's like when it is cold, and then I'm just gonna dip it in some warm water. Oh, now it's not working. Hold on, be right back. So that is what it looks like when your hands are warm. So it's kind of a blue and a purple together, so interesting polish. I didn't realize for some reason that it had that much glitter in it, but it is actually a pretty color. So now we're going to show you what is actually on my nails. So this is the Madame Glam Soak Off Gel Polish, and this one is called California Love. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of a demo using the base coat, the top coat, and of course this polish. So we're going to go in with the base coat, and I'm just going to kind of wipe off a lot of the excess of the actual polish because I find there's a lot on the actual brush. And I'm just going to do a lighter coat here on my ring finger. So again, I'm still wiping off some of that polish just to make sure I get an even coat. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my gelish lamp. Now we're going to go in with California Love. So again, I'm going to take the bottle and I'm going to pretty much try and take off a lot of that polish because there is a lot, and you don't want to have too thick of a coat when you're doing gel polish. Thin coats are usually better. So I'm just going to do my first coat here. Taking off too much. And again, I'm going to go ahead and cure that. So that's what one coat looks like. So we're going to go in with another coat. And again, we're going to go ahead and cure that. Alright, so that is 2 coats, so I think I'm going to leave it at that, and we're just going to add our no wipe top coat. So I've used this many times before, this one is not new. I really like this top coat, I think it works well. So we're just going to do 1 coat of this top coat. And again, we're going to cure it up. And that is what it looks like all together. So I think this color is really pretty. You could do a 3rd coat if you want it to be more opaque, but it is really nice. I actually really like this color a lot. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the polishes I got from Madam Glam. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.